Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I actually came across a creator on TikTok who had over 1 million people following them. And they were putting out, some negative, well, I don't want to say negative, but I'll say more so, discouraging content about themselves in particular, because they found that they weren't making any money after all of this stardom and success. And they had constant, just remarks and constant videos of just talking about how they're still broke and they still don't have any money from all of this, success that they've had on TikTok. Now, of course, what that means that you get other creators to now chime in who are in the same boat where they've had this success and they're like, people think I have money, but I don't. I'm not really getting paid that much from the creator fund. If you don't know, it doesn't really pay out that much unless you're having like millions upon millions and millions of views like all the time. So purely in this video, I just want to give some tips that might be helpful to that TikTok creator or any TikTok creator, or if you are on TikTok, any platform for that matter, but just how you can easily start to monetize your platform. Because if you're going to build and you're going to build all of this social media success, then at least put some business around it and have some type of cause or purpose towards what you're doing. And the funny thing is, it's not actually that challenging at all. It's just that a lot of times people just lack these steps, and when they have that success, a lot of times they don't understand how to use it, and so therefore a lot of times they get taken advantage of, or they're just behind, and they kind of lose that steam because all of a sudden they don't become as excited or just wanting to put out content as much because they feel like I'm just really not getting paid. So here's the first thing to understand in you getting paid, especially if you're at the point of where you have 1 million followers. Understand all of the different tools that are available for you on the platform, all of the different funds that are available, but just more so the tools and what you can implement, things that can help you to drive traffic towards different places. And that first one is having a website or having some type of link in bio, because ultimately you want people to just be able to click on a link and be able to buy from you or support a cause or something like that, or be able to follow you to somewhere else, which we'll talk about a little later. Now, if you don't have a website, that's fine. There are many, and I mean many different, link in bio types of sites that are out there. The most popular one that people know is Linktree, but like one of the ones that I like that I saw that was pretty cool is Unfold. If you don't know, Unfold actually has a bio site, which is pretty cool. Has a lot of little animations in it and things like that. Pretty clean, pretty cool. But having a place where people can click and get more information, so that way your content doesn't become just a dead end. So now having that link, what does that mean? What does it mean that you can do with that link? Well, let's talk about that. That means now you have the ability to create a product or a service. Now, if you create a product is something that people can buy that's tangible. A lot of people starts with things like merch, t-shirts, merch, hats, mugs, stuff like that. And if you're feeling pretty educational, like you want to help teach or show somebody how to do something, ebooks are one of the easiest ones to go with, as well as starting your own course. And yes, I know a lot of people don't like courses, but understand this: if you have hundreds or thousands of people asking you for something, it's a little bit hard to help all of them at one time without being able to put some type of package deal, course, or some stream of videos or something together. That's what creating a product could be, but then also creating a service could be something that you offer. Let's say if you're a photographer and people want to hire you, to do their pictures, or if you're a video editor and people want to hire you to edit their videos because you do such a great job with editing videos. And believe it or not, people will actually pay you to edit their TikTok video, which also could be consulting and giving information and strategy with people depending on whatever it is that you may do. Now, another thing is sponsorships and partnerships. Now, even on TikTok, you do have it where you can actually have like a creator marketplace to try to see what may be out there for you, and they have a system set up where at least that advertisers can communicate with the creator himself. But you can also achieve having sponsorship deals and partnerships on your own. What you're going to need is a way for people to be able to contact you. So within that link, have a place where people can email you, or somewhere where people can just find information, where they can find information to get in contact with you somehow. And what you'll find is there's a lot of people that would love to partner up with you and will definitely sponsor your videos. Granted, it doesn't mean that you should do all of those deals, but it gives you some things that you can look at, and then you can also maybe negotiate the price as well for your videos. One of the rule of thumbs I think that's good to follow is, listen, don't partner up or do any sponsorship deals with any companies that you don't believe in. If you believe in the company, at least like the product, especially if you use it. Then those are definitely good areas, because then you'll be very authentic. And of course, there's caveats to that. Like if Toyota said, hey, can we sponsor one of your videos? Then you just find a way to put Toyota somewhere in your video. But once you're gaining that type of traffic and those type of eyeballs, there's a lot of companies that would love to partner with you, and they will gladly pay you money out of their advertising budget just so that they can get some, clout or get some notoriety and some attention from your page. Now, along with sponsorships and partnerships, the next one is affiliate marketing. And that's similar. It's like partnering with companies that you like and you use. I stress that a lot because it can become very authentic and be very authentic in your content versus people just know like, dang, like you really just trying to get money. Nothing's wrong with that, but when you feel good about something and you trust that product and you trust that company, that you're offering something to your loyal fans, followers, people you're connected to, whatever you choose. You're offering something to them that you can trust and that won't hurt them or damage them in the long run, and then you feel bad about it. But affiliate companies are just like, say for example, if you have a product or something that you were using within a video and people like, where'd you get that? And you're like, Amazon. Well, sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. That's normally like the easiest thing. And when you sign up for the affiliate program, that means you'll be able to now copy a link that gives you a piece of commission every time someone buys that product. And you see it all the time, especially when people using these pretty cool and neat gadgets. Then they have the Amazon link and they're making money off of that. Now, of course, you would need many sales to really make a significant amount of money. However, it does start the ball rolling. But then there's other companies that you use that you could also be affiliated with it, and you could partner with, where all you have to do is go to their website and search affiliate if you're Googling, and you'll see where you can sign up and actually get connected with them. Now, the next one I'm not necessarily a fan of, but it does come up sometimes, which is selling your videos. And that kind of goes with the partnerships and sponsorships, but sometimes you have media companies and media outlets that will come to you and say, hey, we would like to buy your video so we can show it on our platform, or we'd like to pay you to be able to show your popular video. And for today, here's the last one. Start a YouTube channel. On YouTube, you can monetize based off of views once you get to 1,000 subscribers and a certain level of views, to which you'll see some of the popular creators who have created really good content navigate that way. So just like a lot of Vine, people used to use Vine would do, they would get on YouTube, because if they build that platform up just like they built their Vine up, where they had 1 million people following them, that could translate into some pretty good revenue for just ad play and the monetization that happens on YouTube. Also being able to get people to your platforms like Instagram or Facebook, where you can actually post reels and that type of content and get paid for. So now hopefully these has been helpful. I hope these things have helped to kind of guide you in a way that you can actually now monetize your platform and your success. And if you liked the video, please share, drop a comment below, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.